oxygen atoms. Kaya siya oxyanion. So example natin dyan, si chlorine. Chlorine has 4 oxyanions. You have ClO4, ClO3, ClO2, and ClO. So how are we going to name them? For the one with the highest number of oxygen, nilalagay natin, or we use per plus the root word and then ATE. So sa chlorine, the root word for chlorine is chlor. We add per and 8, kaya perchlorate. ClO4 is perchlorate. Next, second to the highest, ClO3. Since it's second to the highest, we'll just use ATE, the suffix ATE, yeah, chlorate. Then, second to the lowest, we just use, instead of ATE, we use ITE, the suffix ITE, kaya it's chloride. Chloride is ClO2. Then the least amount of oxygen, ClO, that's your, you add hypo, prefix hypo, then the root word, and then ITE. Kaya, hypochlorite. Gets? Sige. Mas anong ruling? So you have, it's okay yun. So you have, get the root word. Example natin, here, nitrate. The root word is niter. And then we added ATE. We use the suffix ITE for small number of oxygen, ATE for high number of oxygen, kaya nitrite and nitrate. Then, if it has 4 examples, if that oxyanion has 4 numbers or different numbers of oxygen, we add the per and the hypo with it. Exemption to the rule natin is hydroxide, peroxide, and cyanide. Because all 3 of them uses the suffix ITE. Sila lang ang naka-ITE. And what if naman merong added na hydrogen? What should you do? Simple lang. You just add the word hydrogen and then your oxyanion, phosphate, hydrogen sulfide. We usually use hydrogen to stabilize or to reduce the charge of your oxygen or of the oxyanion. Or we are using it to form acids. So example tayo, we have, na-try na natin to. C, hypochlorite, half acid chloride, chlorate, and C, perchlorate. So dito, ayun naman. What is I? Sorry mga ano yung I? Candela. Iodine po. Iodine. What is the root word for iodine? What's the root word of iodine? Yes, Cheska? Iode. Iode. So if iode is our root word, what's the name of this formula? IO. Anong pangalan niyan? Other humans, please. Russell.
Hypoiodide po.
Hypoiodide. Next, IO2. Erika?
Iodide po.
Iodide. Next, Michaela?
Iodide po.
Iodide. And last, Fiona?
Periodide.
Periodide. Okay? Kaya? Sige. Ito naman, idadagdag natin sa polyatomic ions nyo. Di ba may nagawa na kayong list? Magdadagdag na naman kayo. At ito yun. So, as you you can see, most of them have negative charge, except for ammonium. Ammonium has positive charge. So, paano natin siya gagamitin? How are we supposed to use them when we're combining them with other, let's say, other elements or other compounds? Sabihin natin we're combining ito. Sino ba pwede natin ito? Sige. What if, for example, I'm going to add bromine? Oops. Ayusin ko sulat ko. Bromine. And then, I'm going to add, sabihin natin si dichromate. What's the symbol for bromine? Sige, Juliana.
Br, ma.
Br. What's the charge of bromine? Ano pang charge? Other human. Zangerwin. Charge ni bromine. Wala si Zangerwin. Jaylee. Charge ni bromine.
Positive 1 po.
Ha? Tama na positive.
1 po.
Ano siya? Sige, hanap tayo ng tulog. Ay, Joshua.
Negative 1 po.
Tama na nga yung positive kay Jaylee eh. Anong charge? Arabella.
Positive negative 1 po.
Ano po?
Positive negative 1 po.
Ay, bromine pala yung nilagay ko. Sorry. Barium pala nasa utak ko. Sorry guys, ako pala may mali. Barium. Sorry po. Barium. Sorry po. Barium, that's Ba. Ako na maglalagay. 2 po ang charge niya. 2 positive. Then you have dichromate. Hanapin dito. Nasaan si dichromate? Dichromate, it's this one. It's Cr2O7, 2 negative. So both of them has a charge of 2. Kapag ganyan, cancel na lang natin. Kaya, if we're writing down the formula, it's going to be Ba Cr2O7. This is barium chromate. That's the formula for barium chromate. Example pa? Isa pa? Bakit yung iba ay naka-off ang camera? Gusto niyo po ba magdi-discuss ako? Wala din tayong presentation. Sige. Let's try. Sabihin natin we are sige, we'll use aluminum.
3 positive.
And we add aluminum with phosphate. It's okay enough if your net's not good. The charge for aluminum is written as An. It has a charge of 3 positive. Phosphate naman po, it's here. It's written as PO4, and the charge is 3 negative. Since they both have 3's in them, cancel na lang yung charge. So we're going to write it down as AlPO4. This is aluminum phosphate. This is the formula for aluminum phosphate. Ano naman kung aluminum pa rin tayo, pero permanganate? So we have, remember, aluminum is 3 positive. Permanganate, ito po, it's MnO4, but it has a negative, a 1 negative charge. Naalala niyo yung discussion natin last time? Diba? Change, i-cross na lang yung charges. Kaya, magiging Al, parenthesis, MnO4, parenthesis, and then yung charge na 3. Nasa labas ang 3. Sure, bakit? Ganyan. May parenthesis. Ba't hindi na lang po isama kay oxygen? Yung 3 naman na yan, hindi naman po ibig sabihin yan, yung oxygen lang, yung 3 beses nyo isusulat ulit. Ang ibig sabihin po na nakaparenthesis na yan, ay ang nakakabit kay aluminum ay 3 permanganate. Ganyan po yung ibig sabihin yan, yung parenthesis na yan. Kasi itong lahat ng to ay isang compound. That's your polyatomic ion. Magkakasama sila. Nagets po? Kaya? Paano naman kung ganito, ma'am? I'm combining, erase ko na ha. I'm combining lithium. Lithium has a 1 positive 1 charge with citrate. Ito po ang citrate. C3H5O7. It has a 3 charge. Paano ko po yan isusulat? Again, switch nyo yung charges. So, magiging Li3, C3, H5O7. Yan ang itsura niya. Sure, bakit walang parenthesis? Lithium is simply an element, hindi siya compound. Naglalagay ka lang ng parenthesis kapag may compound. Gets po? Okay pa? Okay, sige. Next tayo. Hydrates. Ito ma-appreciate nyo itong mga huli. So for the hydrates, these are ionic compounds wherein water molecule is incorporated in the solid structure. So baga, nilagyan siya ng water para maging stable. So what do you do? How will you write it down? You write down your water and you separate it from the chemical formula using a dot. Ano po ba ang chemical formula ng water? Di ba H2O? So, ang nangyari dyan, after the dot, you have your coefficient, which is a whole number, ranging from 0 until 18, plus the H2O. The meaning of that is that the reason why you're doing that is you're showing that this is the amount of water molecules added to the punch, to your chemical formula. Example natin, you have copper 2 sulfate, pentahydrate. So you're going to write it down as CuSO4. This is your copper sulfate, separated by a dot. Ayan, penta. Penta means 5. That's Greek prefix po. So you add 5 for your coefficient and then H2O. Yan lang yun. So, ito, Nicholas sulfate. Nicholas sulfate. How do you write Nicholas? Nicholas sulfate. How do you write it down? Diba you have Nicholas and Nichelic. Nicholas lang tayo. Kailangan ko lang kayo sa sulfate. That's SO4. Nicholas. Ano yan? Ano nasusulat? Nicholas sulfate. Yan, Jerwin. Oh.
NI po.
Yun po, Nicholas sulfate.
NIF.
NiSO4. Sure, bakit NiSO4 lang? Nicholas kasi is 2 yung charge, 2 positive. Sulfate mo naman is 2 negative. Cancel mo na lang yung charges. Kaya, NiSO4 yung nakalagay. Okay? Then, followed by your dot, kasi nandito na tayo sa water. Hexa. Pag sinabing hexa, ilan yan? Yes, Prince?
6.
6. So, 6H2O. Okay ba? Oh. Ito, aluminum nitrate. Sige, kayo dyan. Aluminum nitrate. Sige, Pandaya.
AlNO3.
That's for aluminum nitrate. Yung non-hydrate. Tuloy mo lang, Pandaya.
9H2O.
9H2O. May kulang, anak. Yung pinaka-importante. Ha?
Cat.
Yung that. Huwag kakalimutan yan. Okay? Kaya? Next tayo. Ito, sobrang dali lang nito. As in, literal na napakadali. You just have to memorize the Greek prefixes. So, here, when we say ionic compound, we are combining non-metallic elements together. So, sino-sino yung mga yan? Those that are found on the upper right side of your periodic table. Those are the non-metals. And what you have to remember is that you're going to write down the less electronegative element first. Then again, the least electronegative element first, followed by the more electronegative element. Sure, paano ko po malalaman kung sino po yung mas less ang electronegativity niya? The closer it is from the metals, the lesser its electronegativity is. So, pag tinignan niyo sa periodic table niyo, between si carbon at saka si oxygen, si carbon at saka si oxygen. Si carbon ay nasa 4A. Si oxygen is nasa 6A. Mas malapit sa metals ang 4A kumpara sa 6A. Kaya si carbon ang less electronegative sa kanilang dalawa. Okay? So here, after that, yung more electronegative, you're going to change the suffix. You're gonna get the root and add the suffix INE. But here, when we're combining carbon and oxygen, it became the CO2, it became carbon, since there are two. Again, there are two subscript, that's dioxide. So yeah, the Greek prefixes are added to indicate the number of atoms of the same element found in the compound. Please note that the word mono, or the prefix mono, is only added to your second element. It's added to the more electronegative. Kaya hindi nyo siya makikita sa pinaka. We're not gonna say monocarbon. We just say carbon. Okay po? So what are the Greek prefixes? So yan, katulad nito. N2O3. That's dinitrogen trioxide. You have nitrogen, suffix of 2, subscript of 2, and subscript of 3. Kaya, di, or 2, tri, para sa pangalawa. But there are exceptions. Ayan, exceptions to the rule na naman. We write the common, if we have common names, we use the common names. Example, si water, it's H2O. We don't say dihydrogen oxide. Diba? We use water. For ammonia, we don't say nitrogen trihydride. Sabi lang natin yung ammonia. For methane, we don't say carbon tetrahydride. We say methane lang. Since they have common names, we use the common names. Okay po? So, ano po yung mga suffixes? Ating Greek suffixes. You have mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nano, and deca. So, po yan. But you have to remember the names. Dito natin. Mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, and deca. Pansinin nyo, from 4 hanggang 10, they all end in A. Tapos yung 2 at 3, I. Siyempre, one more na isa. Kaya na to? Sige nga. Anong basa dito? Sige, nawaan na. Kaya mo ba? Anong basa dito? We have the subscript of 2, subscript of 6. Kaya na? Or you need help?
Need po ng help.
Sige, tawag mo na ka na iba ha. Mikaela. Mikaela?
Hindi ko pa po guys masyado.
Hindi pa. Sige, tawag mo na kalit na iba pa. Sige, let's try. Monica. Monica?
In this video, we'll write them. There's carbon and
Hindi ko po sure.
organic molecule.
Sige.
There's carbon and hydrogen here.
Dicarbon
Different
hexaoxide po.
Yun. Dicarbon. Kasi dalawa. Hexaoxide. Kasi 6. Carbon is less electronegative than your oxygen. Ito. Yan. O4, F8. Pervin.
Ilan po, ma'am? Hindi
Ay,
po. Ako po, ma'am. Ano po? Tetraoxide and octave.
Nasa first siya. Diba? Second lang yung nilalagyan natin ng IDE.
Ay, okay po.
Ano ulit? Tetra.
Tetraoxygen and octafluoride.
Octafluoride. Good. Isa pa? Try pa tayo? Sige. Yeah. Yan ang pinipindot ko. Hindi ko i-arrange na maayos, ha? Kayo mag-isip kung tama ba yung sinusulat ko or hindi. Yan. AS5, I9. Ano yung AS? Ano yung I9? Clarice.
Hindi ko po alam.
Hindi mo alam, anak? May mga periodic table ba kayo? Series? Ayan. Nagtakip ng bibig yung iba. Mukhang wala. Boy, kailangan yan, ha? Hanap-hanap. Hindi kayo mabubuhay sa akin kung wala kayong periodic table. Sige. Aisel.
Penta-arsenic,
Onadine.
nona-iodide.
Iodide. Okay, good. Masya. Next na tayo. Kaya nyo na yan. Mabubuhay kayo. Madali. O siya, sige. Huling example. Mukhang may ngiwi sa inyong ngiti. Paano kung... Ano kaya? Sige. Yan. H6E10. Sige. Daniela. Tonay.
Wait lang po.
Daniela. Sabihan mo ka na kung magtatawag na ka ng iba. Hindi pwedeng wait lang. Daniela. Manay. Na.
Bumpas po muna.
Pass muna. Sige. Si JC. Kaya mo to.
Hexahydrogen,
Hexahydrogen.
decaphosphorus,
Phos.
phosphorus,
Ha?
phosphorus,
Anak. More electronegative yan. Phos. Phosphide. Yun. Yan. Yun yung minsan nagkakamali kayo. Yung second element nyo, nakakalimutan nyo, kunin yung root at dagdagan ng ITE. Isa pa ba? Isa pa daw. Sige. A common name, so just give it a common name. Pero for the sake of remembering how to do this, ito. Yan. Madali lang yan. CH8. Arjan.
ano po, carbon octahydride,
Yan. Okay na? Carry na? Okay. So, second to the last tayo. Naming of acids. So, your acids are divided into two types. Your aqueous and your gaseous. Pag sinabi natin, give with a compound compound name of your acid, we are talking about the gaseous state or its pure form. But if we say you have to give me the acid name, it means it's already in its aqueous form. So what's the difference between the two? If we're going to use the pure form or the gaseous form, we just simply add the word hydrogen, and then for the second element, your nonmetal, you just simply get the root name, yung base niya, and add the suffix -ie. Example natin, you have your anion, which is chlorine. Acid formula, HF. Compound name, hydrogen. Fluor is the root word plus the suffix -ie, kaya hydrogen fluoride. But for the aqueous form, we get the word or the prefix hydro plus your root word, and then instead of using IDE, we use IC. Tapos the word acid. Kaya the acid name for HF is hydrofluoric acid. You have your root word here, the fluor. You have the IC, the suffix, and the prefix hydro, plus the word acid. Kaya siya naging hydrofluoric acid. BR naman, bromine. HBr, formula, acid formula. Compound name, hydrogen bromide. Get the word hydrogen, your root word, brom, and then the IE. Kaya hydrogen bromide. For the acid, the aqueous form, we use the prefix hydro plus your root word plus the IC, suffix IC, and then acid. Kaya hydrobromic acid. Madali? Kaya? So again, like iodine, HI, hydrogen iodide, or hydroiodic acid. H2S, hydrogen plus hydrogen sulfide, or hydrosulfuric acid. Sige nga. What if HN?
HN.
H is what? H3N. Ano yan? As an acid ha? Not as an ionic. As an ionic compound. H3N. Compound name. Compound name muna tayo. Fiona. Fiona.
Yes po, hinahanap ko pa po sa table.
Hindi mo na titingnan sa table na lang. Ito na lang. Dito ka na lang kumagot. N is nitrogen.
Hydrogen. Acid name po ba?
Itong compound lang. Compound name.
Hydrogen nitride.
Nitride. Good. How about its acid name? Sige. Let me call on J. Nico. J. Nico.
Hindi ko pa gets mo eh.
Hindi pa daan gets. Okay lang. Sige.
Nalilito po.
Nalilito. Okay lang na lang. Sige. Try natin si Janine. 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 Kaya? Daytas. Na? Nagugulaan. Okay lang. Zanella.
Hydronitride po.
Hydro.
Hydronitride as
Up. Diba? Iti-change natin yung IDE to IC. Oh, ano ulit?
Hydronitric acid.
Hydroxytric acid. Yan. Good. Ayan, dito kayo wag malito. Yung IDE at saka yung IC. Okay? Jonalyn, you want to ask a question?
Hindi lang po natanggal.
Okay. Sige. Isa pa? Sige, try natin. Sige. H2SE. Let's try itong nilala. Quincy. Give me the pure form, yung compound name. Selenium po ang SE.
Hydrogen selenide.
Ha?
Hydrogen selenide.
Selenite. Good. How about si Shaban? Yung acid name niya. Shaban. Wala yata si Shaban. Sarah.
Hydroselemic acid po.
Ano?
Hydroselemic acid po.
Hydroselenic acid. Good. Kaya na. Yan, mukhang buhay na kayo. Last, oxoacid. So for oxoacids, this is a combination of hydrogen and your oxyanions. So, dito, if your oxyanion ends with ATE, we change it into IC. Ay, okay lang yun, Shaban. Next time, ha? Mamaya, tawagin kita. But if it has an ending of IPE, we change it into OS. So for example, acetate, C2H3O2,
Gago
1
eh.
negative.
L2 yung kay Shuban, kala niya nakalusot na siya dun sa ni Ma'am. Sabi kasi ni Shuban, Ma'am, sorry po, hindi ko po na-open na turn on yung ayaw na gumana nung mic niya. Dun, chinat dun sa chat box. Tapos sabi ni Ma'am, ayos lang nak, tawagin kita mamaya. Alay.
And its name is acetic acid. Kita niyo? Ginamit natin yung acet, yung ATE, pinalitan natin into IC, kaya naging acetic. Then we added the word acid. Parang siyang eto lang. Parang eto. Pero, tinanggal mo na yung hydro. Ito naman, nag-end sa ITE. Yung ITE, change into OUS. So, nitrite plus hydrogen, it became nitrous acid. Example pa. So, acetate. Ginamit na natin kanina yan. ATE. Yung formula, ilagyan lang natin ng hydrogen. Yung name ng acid, change natin yung ATE into IC. Kaya acetic acid. Ito naman, carbonate. ATE ulit. Since it's ATE, we're going to change it into IC. Kaya carbonic acid. Yung susunod, ATE ulit. Kaya naging nitric acid. Ito naman, phosphite. ITE. Diba? Pag ITE, magiging OUS. Kaya phosphorus acid. O sige, balikan ko yung kanina ha. Dito. Hanap tayo dito. Itong hypochlorite. Pag ginawa ko yung acid, anong tawag mo sa kanya? Hypochlorite.
Chlorous acid.
Hypochlorous acid.
Ay,
Hypochlorous acid. Ito, tartrate. Tartrate. Pag ginawa kong acid, magiging Cheska?
Tartric acid po.
Tartric acid. How about itong arsenite? Jonalyn.
Arsenous acid.
Arsenous acid. Okay. Ayan, tapos na tayo. So, be ready on Friday. Meron tayong quiz for Chem and yung ating, what we call this, elimination round. Ang elimination natin ay 9:50. Pag malilate pa, okay? Ulit, 9:50 po yan. Good luck. Again, officers, please take charge para dun sa competition. Nakakahiya naman po, kayo yung STEM, tapos ang unti ng entries nyo. Yung ibang section, ang dami nilang entries sa Flash to Passion, kaya nyo to. Pasya, mga anak, time to eat na tayo. Paalam po.
Thank you 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 po.